If your TV has a setup button, it may allow you to change the input. Check the user manual for specifics. If the TV buttons are unresponsive, try unplugging the TV from the power outlet for about 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This can sometimes reset the TV and restore button functionality. If none of the buttons are working, and you absolutely need to change the input, consider using a universal remote. Many universal remotes are pre-programmed to work with RCA TVs, or can be programmed using a code found online or in the remote's manual. Another option is using a smartphone app that emulates a remote control, provided your TV is a smart TV and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. Search the App Store for RCA TV Remote App. Some RCA TVs have CEC, Consumer Electronics Control, functionality via HDMI, allowing you to control the TV input using the remote of another connected device, like a DVD player or game console. Enable CEC in the TV's settings menu, if available via the TV's buttons, and then use the connected device's remote to turn on the TV. The TV should automatically switch to the corresponding HDMI input. If issues persist, consider contacting RCA customer support for model-specific guidance.